So this is what we do to diagnose noises on Jeeps.
Let me adjust my hand.
We got a tech hanging outside. Out here wheeling.
It's just ground noise so far.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the shackles. I think it was just the shackle noise, because the only thing I heard was that major crack from you putting the wheels to a full lock.
Now that felt like something shifted.